they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't have to plan it, I can go change my fate. You won't understand it, all alone, that's okay. People I can't stand them, they don't want me to change. Keep me where I'm standing, and I don't wanna be where I am. And I want something more, take a chance. It could be possibly my last dance, my last dance. I don't wanna let myself down, myself.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, yeah. Baby, I'm bad.
I just wanna stay bad, stay mad. Chip on my shoulder cause they treat me like an outcast. I ain't gonna take that, stay back. I'll be swinging hard till the hits come in all caps. I ain't gonna lay back, pray that someone's gonna help me. Ain't nobody like that. I ain't gonna wait, that's all fact. Give me one shot and I'll never get the throne back. I'm sick of being cautious, I'ma go cause some pain, can't stop this. I'ma steal everybody's lane, call it shoplift. Sick of hearing everyone complain when they thoughtless. Taste the pain, it's like candy canes. It makes me go change into a better frame, into a better name. Society's insane, we all live for fame, yeah. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad. I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up. losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose, what do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need, what you need. We're broken, it's tragic, we're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it, and I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness. I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test.
Alright, good morning everyone. How are you guys doing? Alright. I hope you guys had a great weekend. Let me start my Zoom here.
Recording in progress.
All right. Let's have this music playing in the background.
Morning.
Good morning. Good morning, Brandon. Oh, gee, you breaking this slow over here.
Good morning, Lisa. Hi, everyone. Hi, Abe.
Good morning, Faye. Good morning, Lisa. All right. We'll wait for London to open here.
Like it's game time. Locked in when it's game time. Yeah, I'm ballin' like it's game time. Locked in when it's game time. I put in work, couldn't wait for mine. I got 9, couldn't wait in line. Game time, game time. Locked in when it's game time. Shoot from deep like Curry 3 and I go beast like 23. 10 toes down, glued to the concrete and I do me, keep to myself to find my peace. Been ballin' a little bit, woke up feeling rich. Still remember days I had to grind to get a cent. Still remember days when I spent a penny pinch. Now this bank account is lit and it's up and it's stuck just like Cardi said. Same faces around me and it's hardly friends. Saying how you do it but you hardly dead. Fibbing on the ground, yeah you probably is. Ballin' like it's game time. Locked in when it's game time. Yeah I'm ballin' like it's game time. Locked in when it's game time. I put in work, couldn't wait for mine. I got 9, couldn't wait in line. Game time, locked in when it's game time.
I'm anticipating buys on gold. Plus we have this gap to fill right here to the left. See clearly if we go to the 15-minute.
Wake up in the morning, I can smell the bag coming. 3 whole years and these numbers keep running. Don't talk to me if you can't match the numbers.
Good morning, YouTube. I hope you guys had a good weekend. Congratulations on your ride. You deserve it. Oh, thank you. Ayakumi, thank you. No watch, no diamonds, no watch, good timing, yeah. New watch, no diamonds, no watch, good timing, yeah. Need no middleman, I'm the man to man, send it in. I like what I like, me, I know my rights is sipping in. I like having fun, I do what I want, it's what it is. For my son and son, for my daughters, yeah, it's for my twin. I work through the night, I do what I like, get a check, I go for the ride. I've been down the ride for the wins. Let's run the lights up, guys. Let's run the lights up.
Month to month, still from year to year. No watch, no diamonds, no watch, good timing, yeah. New watch, no diamonds, no watch, good timing, yeah. I'm sporty and rich, I'm sporty and rich, I'm sporty and rich. Do it again, again, again. I'm sporty and rich, I'm sporty and rich, I'm sporty and rich. Do it again, again, again. Get some checks, I invest and I spend a check.
spend a check, get it back, then I take a rest. Only race is the human, I take care of my skin. I was doing this as a rookie, now I'm up to vet. Set the trend, set the pace of play. I don't trip, but if I fall, bet I make a way. I take trips in the fall, watch the leaves change. I like to treat every day like it's my B-day. New watch, no diamonds, new watch, good timing, yeah. New watch, no diamonds, new watch, good timing, yeah. I'm sporty and rich, I'm sporty and rich, I'm sporty and rich. Do it again, again, again. I'm sporty and rich, I'm sporty and rich, I'm sporty and rich. Do it again, again, again. Do it again, again, again. Do it again, again, again.
Yes, Brendan, the week high and lows. I'm not using any indicator, Smith. If GU touches the green zone, I mean, we're not gonna buy off the whip. I'm gonna need more confirmation before I take a buy. Brendan, almost 2 years. It's actually gonna be 2 in November. All winning months, I would say, since I've been using S&D, I would say at least, we have 12 months in a year, I would say at least 10 months. Good morning, Ahmed. Yes, Brandon. Thank you, Anthony. Those of you that didn't join us for Saturday's webinar, You guys watched the video, right? If you did, so you already know what we're doing today. Oh, you already know what we're doing? Henceforth. So GU right now, obviously we're waiting for London Open. I'm waiting to see how we're gonna react at this 15-minute supply and this 5-minute supply. Oh damn, did you watch the video though, Brenda? Oh, okay. Well, watch it whenever you can. Good morning, Liberal Gang.
Oh, sorry. Oh, hello. Good. Thank you. Yes.
Money when I'm bored. Watch the
Oh,
money hit the floor. Make it rain, make it pour. In my household, need no floor. It's just me and the
You have a 15-minute demand over here.
it's just me and the fam. Yeah, yeah.
But at this point, we gotta wait for a breakout on GA, or we tap into this demand right here at this support level. So we gotta wait for.
GA is rejecting a 15-minute supply.
You saw what?
GA, he's rejecting 15-minute supply to the left.
Yeah, but it's bullish.
Yeah, I know. I would expect it to pull back a bit more since we got that double top.
Yeah, me too. Me too. I'm right there with you. And this thing looks so good on the 4 hour. To the
Oh
left,
yeah.
and the 1 hour as well. At least get a TP over there.
I'm ready to get
There's also this 5-minute supply right over here.
yeah. All right, okay. Thank you very much. Bye.
As you guys are hopping on, smash that like button, guys. Let's get the likes up. Let's get this likes up. As long as this 1 hour candle closes bearish, GU should continue falling here. And we got 10 more minutes for London Open. Let's get 59 more likes, guys. 59 more likes. You said bearish on gold. I mean, currently overall gold is still bearish. Here on the 5 minute also we are bearish, but I would like to see it break below 1951. If we can break below 1951, then I'm gonna look for sales. You see though, got this big ass freaking 15-minute demand over here. It's not really big though, it's because I have my chart very big. So it's going to be very interesting to see how gold reacts over here at this demand. But even if we do reject this demand, 15-minute demand down here, we might reject it, but I don't see gold pushing back up. I think we're gonna continue falling. GU is very bearish on this, on the lower time frame here. We see volume coming in, hopefully when London opens. All these pairs keeps the same energy. This volume energy. Dun, dun, dun. Alright guys, keep the likes coming, man. We need 54 more likes. Let's keep the likes coming.
You're number one and it's don't run up. Don't matter if your birthday's coming up, I'm still gonna get you those little gifts, and it's not even about that. I just love to make you smile, so go and smile back. Little FaceTime, little chit chat, little time spent, little meal or something. What we doing on? Go best friend.
So on Saturday, I forgot to tell you guys. So the backtesting session we had yesterday. So we're gonna be having it twice a month.
That's my best friend. To the end, me and you. If you spend, then I spend, all on you. It was always you and me.
Gotta keep the knife sharp.
Yeah.
From a dream, and I can never get away.
Yes, sir.
It was always me and you. It was always saying it.
And then the weekly analysis I talked about, we're gonna start that next month.
My best friend. That's my
Every Sunday, actually.
That's my best friend. Go best friend. Go best friend. That's my best friend. Go best friend. That's my best friend. That's my best friend. Go best friend. That's my best friend. Go best friend. That's my best friend. That's my best friend. Go best friend. That's my best friend. Go best friend. That's my best friend. That's my best friend. That's my best friend. That's my
So we got 4 more minutes.
my best friend. Go best friend.
So if you take a deeper look at what's going on here with GU, all right? So this low over here was taken out, all right? That low was taken out, and then we pulled back to this supply zone over here, and we just started ranging, and then eventually now we got this low over here taken out at 1.3822. We got that taken out. So now I'm just expecting GU to continue falling here. So I'm for sure anticipating sales on GU. So we'll see what this thing is going to do when London opens. If you look at it for an hour, we still got room for this thing to come down. You got a 1 hour demand over here that we're rejecting right now, but I believe GU should fall. Simba, I trade the London session Monday to Friday. It's just that I'm only on YouTube Monday, Wednesday, and Fridays. trade London and New York together. Now, my favorite community, I love every single one of them. We win together, we lose together. But eventually, we'll win more than we lose. Alright guys, so we need 42 more likes. Let's get to 100 likes. Yes, Brendan, we definitely are. Until further notice. London is open.
Gold's already rejecting.
You got this resistance here. I need it to break. I need that resistance to break. Even though you had a 1-to-1, I need that resistance to break. It's a 1-hour resistance, also a 4-hour resistance as well, so you gotta be very careful. What's setting up for sale? You mean GU? Or what pair are you talking about? Good morning, Jatui. Hey Jatui, how's your contractor stuff going? I'm sure you're killing it. Am I looking for buys above that T56? Yes. But good. There are some, higher time frame ranges that I will trade, and some I just would not. I would just rather wait for the breakout and then wait for a demand setup. Example, gold right now, I'm not interested in this range that we're in right now. We need a break above or a break below before I look for opportunities. Same thing here with GA. Except if GA breaks below this demand that we rejected and comes back down to this one down here, the second one, then I might consider taking a buy from there. Yeah. All right, keep the likes coming, guys. We need 33 more. Let's run the likes up. Good morning, Hood Habit.
Catch up. See you in my river trying to catch up. Run and see you running trying to catch up. I see you gasping, leave you breathless. Catch up. See you in my river trying to catch up.
Hood Habit. When you see me on here with a new pair that's new to you, just know that I used to trade that pair. Right? Just because you've not seen me trading it does not mean I've never traded it before. You feel me? So just keep that in mind. Not bad.
Compliment on my flaws like that's alright. They all want what we have and that's fine. Catch up. See you in my review trying to catch up. Run and see you running trying to catch up. I see you gasping, leave you breathless. Breathless.
That GA buys we took on Friday. So what eventually happened, right? Went straight to that TP.
But it would have stopped us out if we had adjusted our stops.
Yeah, because when it broke that high, I was like, you know what? Let's adjust this stop loss to the new support formed.
Yeah.
But you know, we got out that break even, so. And gold was nice on Friday, so.
See you on my river trying to catch up. Run and see you running trying to catch up. I see you gasping, leave you breathless. Breathless. Catch up. See you in my river trying to catch up. Run and see you running trying to catch up.
Yep, exactly who that bitch. When it comes to GBP pairs, right? You know, GJ was my #1. I mean, still is, but she's not been loyal, so I'm not trading her for a while until further notice. And then GA was my second choice, GU my third choice, and also GBP NZD. And I used to trade GBP pairs, but GBP CAD, I hate that pair. GBP CAD, I'm not a fan of that. I'm not a fan of that pair. So let's see if GU is gonna we're seeing here. If we take GU, stop loss will be 13 pips. TP1 27, but I would say 25. Just right at the top of that 15-minute demand that we have there. So if we have 3 positions running, we have a chance to at least secure 2 positions. And we might even secure all of them. We'll see. We are reacting to that supply. But we need to make sure this thing is going to hold before we just jump in a position. People that jump right in, I mean traders that jump right in just because, you know, price is rejecting the supply and demand traders. I mean, it works for them, but I don't know how they do it. So I'm going to stick to what works for me. I promise you, a trader is already in GU sales right now just because we're rejecting here. And they probably have their stop loss above this zone over here. Because you got a supply there too, because if we don't reject this one, there's a chance we might reject the first one up here. Or even this 4-hour resistance over here. There is a supply right there too. But if we break this 4-hour resistance, at that point, I'm gonna just be waiting for a pullback for me to take buys. I'm not gonna be looking for sales anymore. Because remember, there is a 1-hour demand over here. That's where we rejected. Alright, so if we break the 4-hour resistance, which is also a 1-hour resistance, my bias is gonna switch to buys. This resistance over here. At that point, we should continue. Possibly back to the swing high. Because remember, GU is still bullish on the higher time frame, right? But there's also a chance we can fall. That's why I tell you guys, even those of you on YouTube, like when you're looking to take a position, especially if you are a day trader or a scalper, you have to make sure you look at the higher time frame structure and also the lower time frame structure. Maybe you trade the 5-minute or the 15-minute. The reason why you want to do that is because you will understand that, okay, for example, there is a support level here, there is a resistance over here. You understand supply and demand, just like right now, the 1-hour demand rejected on GU, right? And you have a 4-hour, which is also a 1-hour resistance. If we break and close above that, I mean, it's simple. We want to go back bullish, right? We want to go back bullish on the lower time frame. So we break above this. I'm just going to wait for a pullback to a demand zone and take buys. Because it's bullish on the higher time frame overall. So have two bias in your mind. Don't just say, hey, you know what? I'm just looking for buys. If you say you're just looking for buys, what if price decides to sell? Now, because you're looking for buys, you missed out on the trade. And you might be saying, oh, well, I'll just look for another pair. You look for another pair. If you have just one bias, let's say you're looking at gold, that as your second pair, you have one bias saying gold is going to sell, and then gold decides to buy. Once again, no trade for you, because you're over there looking for sales. Right? Bottom line, don't get married to your bias. Oh, that's the bottom line. Because you don't control this stuff. I don't. You don't. We're not in control. So we always got to do what the market wants to do.
I keep on coming with energy. I keep on bringing that energy. Energy. I feel on top of the top. I think outside of the box. I won't fall into that box. Energy. Go on, take the blame. Never wanted other fame. I stay away from that lane. I can still wake up and ball out. All in my court, I go ball out. Look at my baby go all out. Energy. Come on.
Lately, I don't know. London session, I don't know, man. There'll be volume before London, and then once London opens, the volume disappears. You're nowhere to be found. So this supply head, it didn't hold. This one either. At this point, even if this thing start falling, I'm not gonna take the buys because we tried rejecting here, and then price created a minor high over here, and you have a minor support right here, 5 minute. All right, so if I'm going to take a sell here, I'm going to need us to either tap this supply or close below it just a little bit, give me a retest, and then I'll take a sell coming back down. Even though there is a supply here, the supply here is just telling me, okay, if we start falling here, come back to this support, even if we come down and reject again, but I would like to see it close below it a little bit, then I'm going to need a retest back to the previous supply, or if we form a new one here, right? I'll wait for that to happen, the retest, and I'll look to take sells coming down. Yeah, I'm taking a pause on GJ for now. The past 2-3 weeks, GJ has been killing my ass. Like, if I wasn't trading GJ, my win rate would be so high right now for this month.
Gotta get the cake. Okay, this ain't what you used to.
Do I trade NAS? Of course, but I'm not trading that for a while either. Let me say this. If you have more than, if you have more than 3 or more pairs that you usually trade, remember, you don't have to trade those pairs all the time. Except if it's just one pair that you trade, 1 to 2 pairs that you trade, then you might trade this session, you might trade that this session, or you might decide to trade both at that session. But 3 or more, you don't have to trade them every day. Recommend any foreign account. The 5%ers is cool. Yeah, good my break, yes.
Stack those chips and I get that check, not what you used to. You see how I live, work my biz, I'm too far from the rest, not what you used to. Okay, this ain't what you used to. Always with the new, this ain't what you used to. I do me, do you. I do me, do you. This ain't what you used to. 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 This ain't what you.
Closed 53 to 51. What do you mean? Going with a bullish trend here. Yeah. Take the price back to that high. Yeah. Does anyone see what I'm seeing in Giga? Is it in Zoom? First of all, let me ask, buy or sell? If you were trading on your own right now, what would you be looking for in Giga? There's no right or wrong answer, all right? We're learning. We're learning. All right, Kiddo said buys. Terry, what about you? Justin said buys. 4 hours super bullish too. Terry must not be there. What about you, Walla?
I said buys, even on the volume profile. When it pushed down, super thin volume. No one's trading down there.
Yeah. Buys. It took me going back to the 4 hour and the 1 hour to really look at it again. Because especially the 1 hour. Especially the 1 hour. We need to come down to create a low for us to keep pushing back up. And you got this, like I said previously, you got this 1 hour demand over here, which is also a 30-minute demand, 15-minute, like every freaking time frame except the 4 hour daily and stuff. But 1 hour below, 1 hour time frame and below, we have a demand level right here. Which was where we rejected nicely. So now on the 5 minute, it's only the right thing to do to wait for price to pull back to this demand and then take buys. And if we break up these highs here, we're still gonna be looking for buys. Gold is still bearish though. Gold is still bearish overall. But thinking also push up to. Just like to see us break below 1951 before I take sales on gold. Nothing is doing anything right now. Yeah, you don't have enough confirmation for sell in GU right now. You don't have enough volume right now, man.
Plain on my wrist, for real. LV on my chick, for real. Waco taking risks, for real. Went through hell to get to this, for real. I'm not pressing making lists, for real. I stay low and stack my chips, for real. You keep looking for a flip, for real. That's not wealth, that's rich, for real. 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 Really real. Really real. Really real. Really real. For real. For real. For real. For real. No liens on the whip, for real. I get bored, I take a trip, for real. Take a loss, I never trip, for real. Been in shock, I'm not a lick, for real. Don't trust the soul, it's on my hip, for real. Make a move and you get hit, for real. No pictures by the crib, for real. Can't let them know just where I live, for real. 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 Really real. Really real. Really real. Really real. For real. For real. For real. For real. Plain Jane on my wrist, for real. LV on my chick, for real. Waco taking risks, for real. Went through hell to get to this, for real.
Come on, guys, let's get 17 more likes. Let's get to 100 likes, guys.
None of my cash can fold, none of my cars are gold. They
Eesh. Apparently, the banks in London are only doing one trade per session too.
No volume at all. That's crazy.
Yeah, it's crazy, man.
Man, if only we can just have a move like this that we have here down in London. This happened during the Asian session. Boom, boom, boom. So we asked for hits, no GJ. Please don't say nothing about GJ today, because then I might be tempted to trade GJ.
I've already been looking around and seeing GJ too.
Especially when there's no volume like this. Well, you know what? Let me take a look at GJ. Don't tempt me, Astro Hits. Really, Beth, that nah, I'm not gonna stop streaming. You think GU headed for lows? We'll see. Is that like a month? Like a month to the flame? Kingpin Forex says he's been in GJ buys since 181. 181 what? 181, 136. Okay. Now, if you're looking at higher time frame lows here on GJ, 4 hour, for example, we've not even broken a higher time frame lows. So there's a higher probability, in my own opinion. The buys is a high probability, the sells are a low probability. And I would rather go for the higher probability trade, which is the buys.
You know, you called GU GJ just now.
I did?
Yeah, you did.
Oh man. You see?
You're missing her.
That's the effect that GJ has on me, guys. I'm thinking about my ex. Now DJ's the wifey. We're just taking a break. We're taking a break from each other. You're in GUSL, huh? I see why you took it. You might probably get some money out of this. At least 10 if we reject this demand here. No, you took it because the 1 hour flip. You're trying to go for the 1 hour wick fill. Once you see a sign of rejection right here at this demand, I suggest you take your money and run. One more likes to get to 100. The only way Gio can tell me that she wants to fall right now is if this candle closes bearish like this, because now we've broken this minor low right here, right? Is if now we can now retest before we get to this demand here, following the 5-minute time frame structure here. I'm gonna need that retest of this, and then I'll take a sell coming back down. At that point, we should come down. So that would mean GU just wants to fall some more before we push back up. Probably during New York session, we might see it push back up. So that's what I'll be looking for here. But if she doesn't give me that setup, then I'll wait to see what she does at this demand. If she rejects it, I'll be looking to take buys back up. You made the 100 like nice.
Blessings falling on me. I got weapons, need no army. Stat like Tetris, you don't know me. Stat my
Anyone on Zoom, does anyone know why I'm waiting for a possible retest here before taking a sell?
We got a demand.
There you go.
So, Abe, why would it not be sufficient enough for a candle just to close below that demand area and potentially keep going down?
Because we're bullish on the higher time frame.
Okay.
And it has already previously rejected a 1-hour demand, 30-minute demand, 15-minute demand. So that alone right there is telling you, okay, we might continue going bullish, but you just need more confirmation to take that buy.
Mm-hmm.
And for the sell, based on the lower time frame structure, you just need more confirmation to take a sell. Pretty much.
Uh-huh.
brakes, I don't stop, yeah. I'm a bad testy for my bestie. Only if she ride it like a 10-speed. I might run the score up if you let me. First time in Miami, rode them jet skis. Now I stay on go, used to stay on road. Coach get me on, but them bags on hold. It keeps coming in, spend it on my kids, spend it on my boo. You know I'm a trend. At the top, see the top, I'm on top. See the squad, get the guap, that's a lot. Hit the gas, see no brakes, I don't stop. Yeah, oh my God.
You see how that demand held?
Yeah.
Right now, buys is just too risky. Just gotta wait for that break of structure. But if this 5-minute supply helps again over here, then I will look into check this out below this new low. Below this new low right here. And especially if we reject the 4-hour highs or the 1-hour highs and starts coming down, my entry will be at this low. But it would be nice to see another retest if we reject again. But if we break these highs over here, I think we're gonna break the major highs, higher time frame highs. We should break it and continue bullish. And this low here is gonna be our demand. 5-minute demand. So we just need to be patient. So I go my break? Yeah, possibly. Because there's no way I'm taking buys in this range. Nope. Need a break below or a break above. Is Mitch here today? No, he's not. Oh, Lisa, you traded GJ today? I know GJ is your husband. Oh, boyfriend. Yeah. See, just imagine if you're taking a sell here. Stop loss above this previous high, you'll be crying now. You'll be going, damn, oh snap.
Thank God, we're doing it. Let's go.
You said what?
Thank God, let's do it. Let's get some volume going.
I know, right? About freaking time. Oh, you was he came back on you? Damn. Took out your stop loss. Damn. You see? I told you to freaking break up with GJ. You better listen to me. Gold is still dancing around. Gold must be listening to some Afrobeat today. That's why she's
So now GU's leaving the station without us.
She better not.
She'd better not, you're right.
We wait for this 15-minute candle to close. If we close bullish nicely, we'll mark up this 15-minute demand zone as well. And wait for price to come back to the 15-minute demand or the 5-minute, and boom, we take our buys. So because of how messed up the charts look today, we got some waiting to do. Gotta be extra patient. And GU, once we rejected that 1 hour demand, because not only this zone here, I've said it before, not only this zone here, right, was the previous 1 hour demand, it was also 30 minute, 15, 5 minute, 3 minute, 1 minute, like demand zone as well. So once that happened, you gotta pay attention to that. That's why I went to the 1 hour and back to the 4 hour to really see what's going on this time frame. And I saw that, man, we're bullish. We might just be only creating a higher low to continue bullish. That was when I switched to buys. Because if you guys remember, I was initially looking for sales, right? So when I really looked at that demand rejection, like, man, okay, we're bullish on the higher time frame, rejected this 1 hour demand. Yeah, this thing could be pushing back up. So this thing should push back up. aggressive buying to the upside. See. Got this 15-minute as well. Engulfing candle breaking the highs. Let's see. Now we wait and see what G is gonna do. I didn't like German 30 or Earl. No, I like German 30 actually. I like oil too, but recently oil has been very choppy. No, you didn't miss anything. I can't see your name. Oh, Mitch FX. Alright, welcome back. And gold is still dancing around. If only this resistance we have on GA was like somewhere, maybe somewhere here, shit, we'd have taken it by. Now rejected it all time.
Double up. Yeah. Double up. The money I color. Double up. The money I color. 2 turns of 4 turns of 8. Sleep and get paid. Rich when I wake. I bet the bank. I set the pace. Guess what I make? That's what I make. Counting pockets, that's a trending topic. You got this and you got that, but got no spending options. I keep quiet, but still get it rocking. I keep quiet with it in my pocket. I keep quiet, moving stuff for silent. Double up, the money I call up, call up. Double up, the money I call up, call up. I swear God been blessing me. You think you been testing me? Throw me lemons, watch lemon squeeze. Pieces been my recipe. You buy watch and bust them down. Mine is my investment piece. Heard your mix is drowning out. You need to call Trevor, please. I don't fold, I don't fear. Pearly whites, no veneers. Keep it clean, check it's clear. Water clear, P is clear. See the light, you go dear. See the light, I go near. Let me shine, watch me shine. I'ma shine, vision clear. Double up, the money I call up. Call up. Double up, the money I call up. Call up. Shake it up. Yeah, feel me. You feel me? No cash on me. Swipe for a milli. Yeah, feel me. You feel me? Walk in the door. Shake it out. 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 Ooh yeah. Shake it out. 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 Don't care, cash got cars. No lean on my cars. Car hard on my heart. Tattoo on my scars. Tattoo my new scars. My life has been hard. See me in the light. I was in the dark. I wake up, I send it. I wake up, I spend it. I drive Chevy, no Benz. See me slide, not tenant. My house, yeah, I own that. Your house, yeah, it's rented. Started where the flow at. Now I top the building, yeah. Feel me? You feel me? No cash on me. Swipe for a milli, yeah. Feel me? You feel me? Walk in the door. Shake up the building, yeah. Shake it up, 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 shake it up. Ooh yeah. Shake it up, 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 shake it up. On trips I never trip. No. Shoulder gotta chill. Yeah. My best friend, my chick. My best friend gon' whip. My best friend she pull up with a stick. My best friend she pull up, then she skirt off and we dip. Feel me? You feel me? No cash on me. Swipe for a milli, yeah. Feel me? You feel me? Walk in the door. Shake up the building, yeah.
Yes, I'm anticipating buys on GU.
Shake it up, shake it up, shake it up. Ooh yeah. Shake it up, 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 shake it up.
This candle closes bullish. Check buys above the highs. CP1. And now TP will just be up there. 30. This stop loss is going to be between 15 and 18 pips. Yes, Mitch FX. Yes.
I got things to do. Do you mind if I call you on FaceTime? On the West Coast, so it's late night. I'ma make time if you make time. I'ma make time if you make time. I just wanna see the top with you. I just wanna be in the drop with you. I just wanna spin the block with you. I just wanna spend some nights with you. I got things to do. Talking me plus you. I got things to do. Talking me plus you. I got things to do. Talking me plus you. I got things to do. Talking me plus you. Only if you say so. Only if you say so. Only if you say. Only if you say. Only if you say so.
1 hour resistance. But this zone here is not really a 4 hour resistance, but it was a previous high.
Only if you say, only if you say, only if you say so. Stop playing with me, girl, stop playing with me. Know you wanna stay with me, so just come stay with me. We could be on the run, we could be on the go. We could be in Barcelona, we could be in Mykonos. I got things to do, talking me plus you. I got things to do, talking me plus you.
I just looked at gold. Gold is in a range. I don't like the range. I'd rather wait for the break above. Yeah, the 4 hour high, 1 hour high. If not, shit, of course, I would have taken a buy. Tiny buy. If we're not in a trade by 4, then hey man, that's it for the London session. What are the things I wish I knew when starting out trading? Man, well, I wish I understood risk management. I wish I understood the fact that it's not about having a goal, it's about having a trading plan and sticking to that trading plan. Right? And also, I understood that you also have to make sure that you understand that trading is not about what you make, right? It's about the freedom. I don't know if that makes sense. It's not about what you make, the amount you make. It's about the freedom. It's about the consistency. It's about having that discipline. And to be honest with you guys, when I first got into trading, I got into trading because of the money. Because when I was approached, right, when someone told me about Forex, all they were talking about was money. Oh, you can make this, you can make that, you can make this, you can make that. So that was my mentality. That was why when I joined IML and I was not making money in trading, I quit. But somehow, God let me know that, hey, this is what you need to do. And then I go back in. And this time around, I didn't get back in because of the money. I got back in because of the freedom. That's one of the reasons why a lot of people quit trading. And man, you don't want to get into any kind of business because of the money. Because when you do that, number one, you're not passionate about that business you're trying to get into. So once you start the business and the income is not coming in, you're gonna quit. And you go start another one. Money's not coming in, no income, boom, you quit. And those kind of people, they just need to stick to a 9 to 5. So it's just not trading alone. And any kind of business, when you start, it's not gonna be all roses. And you might not even make any income for freaking 3, 4, 5, or even 6 months. But you know what will eventually make you successful in that? You're not giving up. Because while you're not giving up, you're learning in the process. You're learning everything that you can to make sure you're successful in that business. That's why I say in trading, as long as if you're struggling right now, as long as you're still learning, you're not giving up, right? Eventually, all those sufferings, all those sleepless nights, all those eventually is gonna pay off. You're not scared to invest in yourself. You're not just looking for handouts. You actually want to learn this, and you're doing it. Eventually it will pay off. Everything takes time. Do I trade under LLC? Yes, I do. Yep. I used to trade under my name, file my taxes under my name, until my CPA told me, "Hey, what are you doing? Get a freaking LLC."
Really been going back to
Oh,
back to back to back to back. Like the neighborhood warriors. I don't miss, I don't play none, I don't diss, I don't say none. I go switch, that's an A1. I stay with no A1. Tell the chef, I said thanks. Tell I'm in the bank. Tell my mom I'm living good. Tell my kids don't stress a thing. I go back to back on the drops, drop a lot, and she pack the bag. She shot till we drop. I just wake up, I don't say nothing. I'm on go, I don't stay long. I've been up now, that's a case one. I've been down.
you said goodbyes, good broke or something?
I got summer toys for the summer boys.
She didn't break yet.
Summer boys in the summer boy. I keep making noise. I've been paranoid. This is God body. You can never void. I don't miss. I don't play none. I don't diss. I don't say none.
How many pips was this
That's
range?
an A1. I stay with no A1. Tell the chef I said thanks. Tell
Oh damn, the range is actually big enough.
Tell my kids don't stress a thing. I go back to back on the drops, drop a lot, and she pack the bags. She shot till we drop. These beats I can beat 'em. These bags you can't believe 'em. I never saw the country, but the money.
The range was actually big enough.
I wake up for
Oh wow.
I never grew my circle. I can trust you with my freedom. Give me locked down, keep you locked out. Only when it's here, you look pop now. I get drops now on the top.
Yeah, I thought this range wasn't big enough. It actually is.
I don't go bust and I go plain Jane, watch me ski. Yeah, I see you now, I could tell you watching me. I go ghost, but tell me I'm more like his Lee. Rockstar, baby,
So from where I would have gotten in
I don't play none.
to that high is like close to 35 pips.
That's an A1. I stay with no A1. Tell the chef, I said thanks. Tell I'm in the bank. Tell my mom I'm living good. Tell my kids don't stress a thing. I go back to back on the drops, drop a lot, and she pack the bags. She shot till we drop.
Now I see if she's gonna break these highs. New York should be interesting today because we got no news. Yes, Logan. We got 30 minutes to check your position here. You're looking for buys around 1947 on gold. Oh, Faye, you took a sell on GJ. Nice.
Yeah, I did. I couldn't help it, eh?
You say you couldn't help it?
I see Lisa did as well. Must be a girl thing.
She said FOMO. She didn't want to miss that big drop. So gold is breaking. Okay. I need one more bullish push. Trading View has no bottom wick on this candle, but I do here on my account. What about you guys?
I got a bottom wick.
Yeah, I got a bottom wick.
Okay. Alright, cool. No, we haven't taken any trade today. If and this candidate better give us a bottom wick before flying. Okay, I got a tiny one now.
Money getter, big show stopper, 4 kids having, no chain rocker, make my business, work my business, count them digits, earn them winnings. I see you in my review and you been trying, said you out here doing numbers but you been lying, and you know my little baby been fine, in the crib bet she do it for the 9-9, I've been to myself, just me lately, I don't need a lot, no, just me and the fam, few friends ain't playing, I don't speak a lot, and I can't stop, and I can't stop, and I can't stop, and I can't stop. I don't gotta say too much. My bros know the deal, they think I play too much. Never miss a miss, yeah, I've been scraping up. Been moving faster, you should pray for us. Just got a text a wire hit. I don't need designer fits, but I like how designer fit. LV with the Prada mix. This is not a mannequin. You see what I'm standing in. You see who I'm standing with.
Are you in?
I mean, how many buys? No bottom wick here on trading view, but I got a bottom wick on my account. I'm gonna go use the restroom and I'll be right back, guys.
just me lately. I don't need a lot. Yeah, 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 yeah. I've been to myself, just me lately. I don't need a lot. I don't need a lot, no. Just me and the fam, few friends ain't playing. I don't speak a lot, and I can't stop. And I can't stop. And I can't stop. And I can't stop. I'm that cash money getter, big show stopper. 4 kids having no chain rocker. Make my business, work my business, count them digits, winning.
Is this Geo?
Doing numbers, but you been lying. And you know my little baby been fine. In the crib, bet she do it for the 9-9. I've been to myself, just me lately. I don't need a lot. I don't need a lot, no. Me and the fam, few friends ain't playing. I don't speak a lot. And I can't stop. And I can't stop. And I can't stop. And I can't stop. I don't gotta say too much. My bros know the deal, think I play too much. Never miss a miss, yeah, I've been scraping up. Life been moving faster, you should pray for us. Just gotta text a wire hit. I don't need designer fits, but I like how designer fit. LV with the product.
GA basically just range.
I'm standing in, don't care who I'm standing with. Cause I'ma be me all day. I'ma be me all day. And you can't get in my way. You can't get in my way. I'ma be me all day. I'ma be me all day. And you can't get in my way. Yeah. I've been to myself, just me lately. I don't need a lot. I don't need a lot, no. Just me and the fam, few friends ain't playing. I don't speak a lot. And I can't stop. And I can't stop. And I can't stop. And I can't stop.
You say Gbpount. Well, it's not over until it's over.
If you rockin' with it, put your hands up. This the anthem. If you get up and get it, put your hands up. This the anthem. If you rockin' with it, put your hands up. Yeah. This the anthem. If you get up and get it, put your hands up. Yeah. This one for the winners if you with me. Yeah. Hands up in the sky if you feel me. Yeah. This one for the winners if you with me. Yeah. Hands up in the sky if you feel me. Yeah. It's the anthem. If I give you my word, that's what I stand on. Loyalty and trust is what I stand on. Family and love is what I stand on. Talking big, big. I knew that one day that I could make it big, big. I'm talking how to stay smoking without a sense. Now we get up and do roll like we got a big rig. It's getting serious. I know you're curious. See some losses through the process had me furious. But I got eyes on the vision, can't get delirious. Fall in love with the game and then you marry it. I think I married it. This the anthem. If you rockin' with it, put your hands up. Yeah. This the anthem. If you get up and get it, put your hands up. Yeah. This one for the winners if you with me. Yeah. Hands up in the sky if you feel me. Yeah. This one for the winners if you with me. Yeah. Hands up in the sky if you feel me. Yeah. It's the anthem. If I give you my word, that's what
You're out of the buys yet too, eh?
trust is what I stand on. Family and love is what I stand on.
You guys even got in the buys before I did.
Back when they was working backwards, do it for the Grammy, only do it for a catch. Dropping back
Alright, well, Zoom,
I could go for years if I take a break.
GU did this thing. I'll see you guys down in London, I mean New York.
Alright, see ya.
Alright, YouTube, I'll see you guys on Wednesday. All my links is down below in the description. I'll see you guys Wednesday. I'll see you guys on Wednesday. Alright, peace, I'm out.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be.